Number 1. Ring Spotlight Cam Plus, Battery, Two-Way Talk, Color Night Vision. Look in anytime, watch over your home day or night in wide angle, 1080p HD video with color night vision, and check in at any time with live view. Stop intruders in their tracks. With 2 motion-activated LED spotlights that turn on when they detect motion, and sound the built-in security siren with just a few taps, focus on important areas. Customizable motion zones let you choose exactly what your camera cove. Number 2. Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro, Battery. Pro-level security, Stick-Up Cam Pro, upgraded protection for your home with advanced features like 1080p HDR video color night vision, two-way talk with audio, and 3D motion detection with bird's eye zones, HDR video. Watch over your home day or night in 1080p HDR video with color night vision, bird's eye view, see where someone's been and how they got there with an aerial view. Number 3. Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in, weather-resistant outdoor camera. See, hear and speak to people from your phone, tablet or select Echo device with Stick-Up Cam Plug-in, a wired camera that can be mounted indoor or out. Includes privacy features, such as customizable privacy zones and audio privacy, to focus only on what's relevant to you. With live view, you can check in on your home anytime through the Ring app. See more. Know more. Protect more. Record 24/7 on your eligible CA. Number 4. Ring Floodlight Cam Plus with plug-in mount. This bundle includes a Floodlight Cam Plus and a plug-in adapter, 1080p HD security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, 105 dB security siren, two-way talk, and customizable motion zones. Get motion-activated notifications on your phone, tablet or PC and check in at home anytime with live view, all in the Ring app. Number 5. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus with Ring Spotlight Cam Plus, White. This bundle contains all new Ring Battery Doorbell Plus and Ring Spotlight Cam Plus, White. See more of who's there. Battery Doorbell Plus with head-to-toe HD video gives you an expanded field of view so you can see more of who's at your door. Stay in the know even at night. Enjoy motion detection, privacy zones and see who stops by at night with color night vision. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.